this part here, then they would bring it back, and then it would go back out to another group for taping. And then I was sure it was plenty dry enough there.
Right.
So that was no problem there. Now, as far as the next step is concerned, this is just florist tape. Now, you guys sell florist tape already.
Yes.
It's the same, they're all the same. Well,
And you're letting them dry an hour before you tape.
yeah. Only because you don't want it to move. Now, with the tape, you want to stretch it. That's what makes it sticky.
Okay.
Okay? Now, this is a little bit more time consuming than the other side. It has no back or no front to it, but I like to use the inside. But you could use either side there. What you want to do is to take and finish it so that you have tape on it like that. You don't want the tape to go above the filter. You want a little bit of the filter to be showing. Come down and seal it down here.
Like a ½ inch below the filter?
Yeah.
Okay.
The further you come down unnecessarily, the more tape you're wasting. And you don't want to keep covering the same over and over and over again. You want
Like
to
an
spill.
expanded
You want
kind
to.
of
Yeah, exactly.
situation, okay.
Exactly. With a little bit of overlap.
Okay.
You do want to overlap it, but you want to keep the overlap to a minimum. The less overlap there is, the less tape you're going to use. But yet you want to seal it. And at the same time you're taping it, you're kind of squeezing it and stretching the tape. But you should stretch the tape ahead of time. If you don't stretch the tape, it won't stick to it. So there's a little bit of pressure in putting it on. So to use that, just put it on here, overlap it a little bit. Oops. That's not very sticky.
Sorry, Dave, I'm right
That's all right,
on your back
that's
here.
all right.
You're starting at the top,
It's at the top.
and you're pulling and stretching at the same time you're
and I'm
wrapping.
overlapping it.
That's it.
And that's it.
Wow.
Okay. Simple, huh?
Yeah, it looks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fumble fingers. We'll see. We'll see.
Parents' hands are all
We'll
big.
see.
No, they're not big.
I want to move the jigs.
I know, like little tiny fingers. Dainty hands.
Okay, couple of things here now. When you do it, we want to overlap a little bit here at the beginning. And I'm squeezing it at the same time. You notice how it's smaller than it is there?
Right, I see.
I go around once, then I come down, and now at this point here, I'm going to break the tape, and I'm not going to do this. I'm going to continue to roll it,
Roll it.
to seal it. No, I didn't. Okay, so if you run across that situation, and you will at the beginning, just do it
You
again.
just patch it up.
Just patch it up that
Okay.
way. But you roll it. That's the way this works. Is the tape.
Squeeze and
Is-
roll.
You start it like up here, and you go like that.
Okay.
Up here, go like that. You can't just squeeze it. Some people have a tendency to just squeeze it, and that doesn't work at all. So again, start there like that. A little bit. Wow. Let's use the other side here. Maybe that's the problem, but I don't think so.
What is that? Oh, that's from Trina. What's that?
Okay.
Like it's a fax machine. What do you mean? What is that?
No, I don't. I need to know what
Yeah.
the faxes are.
Okay?
So, yeah,
Down to that point there,
Floral mark.
and then
Rip it
rip
up.
it,
that's it.
and that's it.
Wow.
And you seal it. And you make sure that the bottom here is sealed. The purpose of this now is that when they wet it like that, the water just doesn't run out. So that's the purpose of that. Okay?